Rob Frazier here. So this video, Perpetual Traffic Plan, Day 2, Lesson 2, whatever you want to call it. This is a continuation of this video right here, and this video is actually going to be in the description of the video I'm filming right now, so you can go back and watch the first one in case you have missed it. So in carrying on, talking about my Perpetual Traffic Plan, in that first video, I talked about traffic that you own, and these are lessons that I've learned over my 10-ish years being in affiliate marketing, and also from this book called Traffic Secrets, written by Mr. Russell Brunson himself. Taking some excerpts straight from the book. The only real secret to business: list building. With traffic that I own, I can follow up with my leads and customers anytime I like. So this first video, Perpetual Traffic Plan Day 1, I talked about, I think I mentioned the 3 C's, or I'm sorry, the 3 types of traffic. Traffic that you control, which is paid traffic. You buy traffic, you buy a solo ad, you buy some Bing pay-per-click advertising, you buy a Facebook ad. They send you traffic, and you can control where that traffic goes. So traffic that you control is paid traffic. Traffic that you earn. So if you're watching this video right now, you are part of my traffic that I earned. So how do you earn traffic? By putting out content, videos, blog posts, what you post on social media, podcasts, interviews, different things like that. So you watching this, you are part of the traffic that I have earned. And the whole goal of those first 2, traffic that you control and traffic that you earn, is to turn that into traffic that you own. That being your email list. Again, straight from the book. In fact, my only goal with traffic that I control and traffic that I earn is to convert it into traffic that I own. As of the time of writing this, I have 1.6 million entrepreneurs who are on my email list. Again, this is straight from Traffic Secrets, written by Russell Brunson. I have 1.6 million entrepreneurs who are on my email lists, hundreds of thousands on my messenger lists, over 1 million following me on my social lists, and tens of millions on my pixelated list. So that's kind of getting a little deep into some things. But what that basically means is the whole point of all of this is to really build your list. And you can have different types of lists. In this first video, I'll talk about using the lead lightning system to build your email list, but you can have other types of lists. So on my YouTube channel, I have, I think, 7.95 thousand people who are subscribed to my channel. So that means approximately 7.95 thousand people are on my YouTube list. Now, do they all see my videos every time I upload a video? No, but you get the point. Same thing with my email list. I have different email lists. I have a total of about 100,000 people spread out through 4 or 5 different autoresponders, but all of those people are on my email list. I have 1,500 friends on Facebook, friends. I have around, I think, 3,500 friends on LinkedIn, but you get the point. All of those different networks are part of my list. Now, getting into this first video, I talked about having a way to put people on your email list. That's like one of the simplest, most basic ways to build. And today I'm going to really focus in on traffic that I earn and turning that into traffic that I own. What I do is whenever I join a program, whenever I buy a product, whenever I buy a training, whenever I buy a course, whatever it is I'm promoting, and I'm promoting a few different things as of the filming of this YouTube video, understand that this can apply to everything. So if you have joined me in Heal, Easy 1-Up, Exodus Elite, Power Lead System, some new stuff I haven't even joined yet. I'm looking at like a few other little programs here and there. The whole concept is the same. And that also applies for different training. The Black Ops Underground social media training, the Easy Profile Profits training, the LinkedIn course, the Pinterest course. There's so many different trainings that I've purchased that I'm going through. The whole goal is just to chunk it down into a 4-step process to have continuous traffic, to earn continuous traffic. And I'm starting, and I'm going to focus with Power Lead System, but this applies, again, if you have joined me in Heal, Exodus Elite, Easy One Up, even the Power Lead System, or some new program I haven't promoted yet. The concept and the process is still the same. And I'm going to just take you in the back office here of Power Lead System just as an example. But again, the 4-step process, while my country bumpkin Wi-Fi is loading. Number 1, learn something new every day. Number 2, apply it. If you do not get a result, you go back and learn something new. You go back to step 1. So step 1, learn something new every day. Step 2, apply it. If you do not get a result after step 2, go back to step 1 and find something else to learn. And I'll tell you exactly where to learn, and I'll tell you exactly how to use this to turn it into more traffic that you earn, which is basically content. Learn something new every day. Step 2, apply it. If you don't get a result, go back to step 1. If you do get a result, go to step 3, which is document it. Document it. I got a result. I learned how to talk to people on the Facebook Messenger, and I got 10 leads, and I got 1 person to sign up in my business. I got that result from this thing that I've learned right here. And so when you document it, you can document it any sort of way. You can do a social media post. You can document it on YouTube, like I do a lot, or you can write a blog post documenting your results and success you have had. After you document it, step 4, you share it. So step 1, learn. Step 2, apply. If you get result, go to step 3, which is document. And step 4, share it. Share it on social media, share it in your content. And I just follow that same process on a daily basis. That is really it. And the whole goal of doing that earns me more traffic, because when I learn something new, when I apply it, I get a result, I document it. I make a video, I put it on YouTube, I share it in my Facebook group, I send it out to my email list through my Aweber or GetResponse autoresponders, and I share that all over the place. That creates interest. That brings me people who are interested in promoting their businesses, because they want to get the results that I'm getting, so they are going to want to learn and know what it is that I'm doing to get these results. Approximately 95 to 97% of people out there are not getting results simply because they're just not doing this process. All you have to do is just do this 4-step process. It doesn't matter what programs you're in, what you're promoting, what you're doing. You can make it a success if you just do this every single day. If you're doing something, you're not getting results, go back and learn something else. That's what I've done when I was buying traffic, I was just buying traffic. That's how I got my claim to fame in 2015. Bought a lot of traffic, made a nice chunk of change, income disclaimer. Then after a while, buying that traffic just doesn't work anymore. So I had to go back and learn new skills. Had to brush up on my YouTube. I had to brush up on my blogging. I had to brush up on my social media. And so every single day I learn something, I apply it. If I get a result, I document and I share it. And the only thing I'm pulling up Power Lead System is just to show you an example of some of the places that I've gone to get training. Hovering my mouse over training, Endless Free Leads Mobile. If you're a Power Lead System Gold member, like in my last video I talked about using Lead Lightning, this video, Power Lead System is the upgraded version of Lead Lightning. When you upgrade to Power Lead System, the gold version, the $30 a month, or if you want to be an affiliate, $54 a month, go through the Endless Free Leads course right here. Endless Free Leads, and also I have bought every single product within Power Lead System. The whole point is not just to buy all the products just to buy them, because that's what a lot of people in this industry do. They buy them just because they want to resell them. The point is to buy them, go through them, learn something new every day, apply it. If you don't get a result, go back and go through another chapter or go through the training again. What I've done is same thing with this Endless Free Leads training. If I get my mouse to hover over the thing right. I learned something new about talking to people. I apply it. It didn't work. I'll go back. I'll go through the training again. I forgot that step. I'll go back and I'll start talking to people and I'll try it and I'll go through the script and I'll run people through the script and then I'll start getting results. And I've pieced my own way of talking to people just by going through all of this training. And a lot of people just overlook it. And the same is true for all of this. Social Profit Academy, Free Ad Secrets, or the Master Traffic Academy. Same thing with the Roadmap to Riches book down here. If I can hover my mouse over there. This Roadmap to Riches book, Master Traffic Institute, Free Ad Secrets, Social Profit Academy. There's so much in there just in Power Lead System. But I know I'm focusing on Power Lead System, but it's the same for all of my programs that I promote. Heal. Go through the training in the back office. Exodus. It has the new Exodus Hub and the Exodus Hub Plus for the G1000 members. Same thing. It teaches you how to market on Pinterest, LinkedIn, all of these different places, Instagram. And the point is not just to buy these programs, just to buy them. The point is to buy them, to go through them, apply something, start getting results, document, and share. And then the more you keep doing that, the more results you get. It just turns into this big thing. And just like me, I can't not do YouTube videos now because I'm learning so much. And I didn't say just copy it. I said just learn something, apply it. Same thing from this book. I'm doing the same thing right now in this video. I said I got this and I read a couple things from the Traffic Secrets book, and obviously underneath this video I might include a link to where you can pick up your own copy, which I highly recommend. But the point is I'm doing the exact same process right now. I'm getting results because of all of my videos I have out there on YouTube. A lot of people come across my content and say, Rob, you're one of the most realest guys out there, blah, blah, blah. And it's because of my content that's out there, man, because I'm following the same exact process. And I'm just a little further down the road than most people. But that's all you have to do. So, that being said, wrapping this video up, every time I buy a new product, I go through it, I apply it, and if something gets me a result, I document, I share, and then at the bottom, I say, hey, if you want this same information, or if you want to learn how I've done XYZ, ABC, here's the link. And it's a link to the capture page that brings people to whatever it is I'm promoting or I've learned at that time. And it's just continuously repeating that process. I take this video, I'm going to go share it in my Facebook group, I'm going to send it out to my email list, it's going to be on YouTube. It's traffic that I earn. And then if you watching the video right now want to work with me, underneath this video in the description down here, you're going to see a link to my capture page. You can click on there. Once you opt in, once you put in your email, you are going to be on my email list and you're going to be traffic that I own. And I don't mean to say that like as a bad thing, but it just is what it is. You want to do the exact same thing. I'm doing what I'm saying. There's a big difference between me and everyone else out there. There's a lot of folks out there will tell you what to do, but they're not doing it. I am doing what I'm saying, and I'm showing you right here in front of you the same exact process. And it is what it is. So that being said, wrapping this video up, I'm almost at 15 minutes. Go in the description, click on my little link right here, opt in, become a part of the traffic that I own, see how I promote things, and apply the same things in your business. So it's not just about buying all the products just to upgrade, just so I can get commission. It's about going through the training, having more content to bring to the marketplace to attract more people to you so you can make more money. Just that simple. See you in the next video.